Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the headlight lever on a 2004 Acura RSX. First you have to remove 3 screws. One, two, the third one over here. Alright. For this job you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Here goes one. Okay, after those are out, you're gonna get a flathead screwdriver. Just kind of, let me see if I can do it from the other side. My phone died on me last night, so I continued the next day. I pried it open last night while I thought I was recording. So now we remove the top cover. Loosening up the bottom helps you free up some space. Okay, so it only has 2 screws that are accessible by turning your steering wheel all the way to the left. Barely. After removing the plug in the back, we'll just pull it out. I had to wiggle it around a bit to loosen it up. Okay, here's the new one. We're going to slide the new one in the clip. And clip the plug back in. Hate when I don't get enough space. Alright. Put the screws back in. Assemble everything back onto the steering wheel column. And bam, you just saved yourself some money. Everything's good to go. Thanks for watching. Later.